I don't know why they kicked you out, Petunia, but no, you gotta eat. You're a sweetie. You deserve nice food. Don't worry about the evil gorilla over there, or that one over there. We have Chiquis. She wants to eat too. It's Petunia. Is Chiquis your best friend, Petunia? She's just so gentle too, but not as gentle as Petunia doesn't bite. Chiquis can bite you. That's the difference. That's Petunia. This is Chiquis. Wait, guys. Here. I'm gonna put it here. Come here. Wow, so many of you. Beautiful mama. Come on, Petunia. Come on, Petunia. Petunia wants me to feed her over there. Oh, I dropped the phone. Nacho Libre. Oh, you didn't hear Nacho Libre? Oh no, this is not Nacho Libre. This is Nachita. Nacho Libre is partner then. Because the way they let me know it's them is because they fight with their wings.